What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew Moore, and today we'll be taking our first look at the PlayStation Pulse 3D wireless headset. These are marketed for the PS5, but will also work for your PS4 and other devices like your Nintendo Switch or even your PC. As always, we'll look at the build quality, sound quality, and finish up with a mic test to round off the first impressions and hands-on experience. Let's start with the build quality. This headset is made up of all plastic with the exception of the adjustable rubber band at the top and the pleather pads at the sides of the ear cups. The cups aren't very deep and are actually a bit slanted as they taper off at the front of the ear cup, similar to the other PlayStation headsets in the past. I know some people might not find this comfortable, especially if you have bigger ears or if your ears tend to stick out a bit like me, so just watch out for that. The rubber strap at the top is your only adjustable point for this headset, but it's quite flexible and comfortable and keeps the headset rather light for extended gaming sessions. These come in at 1.33 pounds and Sony claims a 12-hour battery life. The battery is built into the headset and needs to be charged via a USB-C cable, and one is provided in the packaging. All the controls are on the left ear cup. Starting from top to bottom, we have the game and audio buttons, which allow you to mix the audio and game volume to your liking. Beside that, we have the mic monitor switch, which you can toggle on and off to slightly hear yourself in your headset to make sure you're not yelling or being that person who's breathing heavily into the mic. This is achieved by the dual hidden mics, which is also seen in the PS4 Platinum and Gold headsets. Just beside that, we have the volume buttons to raise or lower the volume on the headset. These make an audible sound when you press them to give you an idea of how loud your headset will be. Then we have a mic mute button that goes up and down to toggle on or off the mic. Then further down we have a USB-C charging port to charge your headset and a 3.5mm jack in case you want to use this headset plugged into your controller or your PC. I was really hoping this could be used as a dual channel headset where I could plug the 3.5mm cable into my PC and the USB dongle into my PlayStation and then listen to a podcast or music while gaming. But unfortunately this isn't the case. From my testing, the 3.5mm cable takes priority over the USB dongle, so you can only listen to one source at a time. So Sony is marketing these as their headset to fully take advantage of their advanced Tempest 3D audio feature on the PS5. Since this is a first impressions video, I've only had a chance to test these out on my current PS4 Pro, but I'll do another video when I get my PS5, so be sure to hit that subscribe button if that's something you want to see. I've played a couple of games on my PS4 that already take advantage of the 3D audio, such as Ghost of Tsushima and Call of Duty, and can confidently say that the audio quality of this headset is pretty impressive for the price. I believe that some PS5 titles like the new Spider-Man, Gran Turismo 7, and Demon's Souls will showcase the full range of this headset and are really going to leverage PlayStation's new 3D audio. Now, PlayStation has gone on to say the 3D audio will be available for other wireless headsets on the PS5, but currently on the PS4 you can only take advantage of 3D audio from PlayStation wireless headsets, or by plugging in a wired headset into your controller via 3.5mm cable. I plugged my Logitech G Pro X wireless headset USB into my PS4 to test this out and can confirm that you only get stereo sound. But plugging in my old set of HyperX Cloud 2s directly into my PS4 controller enabled me to use 3D audio in compatible games. I'm very surprised that the new PlayStation 3D Pulse headset kept up with the sound quality with my HyperX Cloud 2s, considering this is a wireless headset. Sony built these really to enhance the game experience and immersion when in the PlayStation ecosystem. While playing Ghost of Tsushima, I could really hear the direction of the branches cracking, birds chirping, and even crispness of the wind whooshing by me. The sound of the thunder was deep and bassy, and the drops of the rain were spread throughout the whole headset. This really gets you immersed into the game and makes for an awesome experience. I really can't wait to use this headset in some newer titles on the PS5. So let's jump into the mic test, which might not be 100% accurate. I have my PlayStation headset plugged into my Windows 10 PC via USB, and I'm recording this through Audacity, but I won't process any of it, and it'll just be the raw audio so you can hear exactly what the mic would sound like. As a reference, this is the mic coming from the PlayStation Pulse 3D headset, raw with no post-processing, and we'll swap on over to... This is the mic from my Logitech G Pro X wireless headset. Again, same thing, no post-processing, plugged in through my Windows 10 PC, recording on Audacity.
just to give you a general idea of what another wireless headset sounds like. Now this one here, again, doesn't pair well with the PlayStation 4 and maybe with the PlayStation 5 eventually, but right now this one doesn't give you the 3D audio or 3D sound that the PlayStation headset gives you. And then we're going to go ahead and flip back over to the other headset.
And now we're back onto the PlayStation Pulse 3D headset. Let me know what you think. Which mic sounds better? Which one do you prefer? Maybe you prefer one over the other. But again, this is just a rough idea of what you may sound like on the PlayStation Pulse 3D headset, because PlayStation 5 or PlayStation may compress audio a bit differently than Windows 10 does. But this, again, is just a rough idea, so hopefully it helps you out just a little bit. Anyways, those are my first impressions on the new PlayStation Pulse 3D headphones. I'm excited to try them out with the new PS5 and hopefully compare them to other wireless headphones when they enable 3D sound for the third-party options. Feel free to hit that sub button if you want to see more PS5, gaming, or tech content, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Later days.